The footer is most visible yet conserved place for technical and legal information of the website that the owner of the site is required to share, including the copyright symbol for easy protection. In addition, there needs to be a privacy policy explaining what information the website collects, how it is stored and how it might be used, and the terms of use for ultimate coverage. It also showcases awards, certificates and security tags to assure customer that your business website is trustworthy, increasing the likelihood of a purchase. We provide you with a ready-made footer for your website with all the relevant data, such as the one you can see on your screen. Now, in case you don't have the footer or you don't like the existing footer, let's show you how you can add the new one. For that, let's navigate to Customize Website module. To add new footer, all you have to do is just click on this Add section. From here, select Footer and select any footer design that suits your website theme. Now the question is, what elements can be added on your website footer? Well, just have a look at your footer design. So as you can see, there are useful links section over here. Useful links can be your terms and condition, privacy policy page, or the categories which you want to showcase to your customers here. Then you have the contact details, your social media channels, then you have payment partners, then the copyright info, and here you have the change language functionality. Let's begin with adding the useful links over here. Now I want to add a terms and condition page to this useful link, but before that I have to create a page. So to do that, just navigate on this page section over here, click on add new page, enter the page name, terms and condition, click on confirm. Now once that section loads on your website, just click on add a section. Now select layouts and select the text box over here. Now for now I do not need any of the buttons, so I'll delete. And over here, let's add the text. So I've already drafted the terms and conditions for my website. All I have to do is just copy it and paste it over here. Let's make it left alignment. Now let's add the title. So title will be same as the page name. Terms and conditions. Let's give a title a good font type and you're done. In case if you want to add any background image for this title, you can do that. For now I'll keep it white. Now once done, let's move ahead to a footer part. Now what I've done is I have created a page which I want to add in my footer. So I'll hover on the useful links portion and click on edit menu link. Now these are the menu links that I'm currently displaying to my customer. You can rearrange the order in which they are displayed, and also you can delete some of the categories. For now I'll only focus on important useful links, and rest I will delete. As I'm already showing them on my header part, there is not necessary for me to show it in my footer. So I have kept only these many useful links which I want to display on my footer. Now along with this, I want to also add a page. I'm selecting terms and condition and I want to display only on my footer. So I have unchecked the header part and click on save. Again click on save. So now you can see I've added a new page called terms and conditions over here. Now in case you want to change the contact details which I've added over here, you can do that by just clicking on edit and again clicking on edit text. and you can change the font styling from here. Also, you can decide which of the social media links you want to showcase to your customer from the footer. For now, I'll keep all these as it is. Next, you have your copyright information section. You can also edit this part by clicking on edit section, and you can edit the text which you have written over here. For now, I'll just make it bold. Now, in case you want to change the background color for this footer, you can do that from this corner. Just click on change color and you will see a color palette appears. You can select any of the color combination from here and apply it to your footer. Lastly, you can also change the language of your website. Our system has a multilingual support, so select the language of your choice and you will see all your website content appears in the selected language. Now once all the changes are done, click on save. So now you see I've selected the language Hindi in my footer, so all the content that appears on my website is in that language. Also, let's see if the changes are reflected on my footer. So I have deleted some of the menu links from here and I've added terms and conditions, so it has reflected successfully. Also, I made the text part of this copyright information bold. So likewise, you can make any changes to your website footer and make your footer more presentable to your customers. So that was all about the website footer.
We hope that this video was helpful to you. If you still have any questions, comment below or contact our support team directly. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss any update.